Imagine your brain shrouded in fog, your energy levels flatlining by noon, and your digestion. Well, let's just say it wasn't pretty. That was me not so long ago. But here's the kicker. 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. 70%. So if your gut's a mess, your whole body is paying the price. I refuse to accept that as my fate. So I embarked on a 30-day gut health revamp, and the results were nothing short of astonishing. It's not just about getting rid of gas or fitting into your skinny jeans. This is about feeling truly alive, energized, and vibrant. And in a moment, I'll tell you the 10 tips that helped my gut reach its full potential. Get ready to ditch the digestive distress and step into a world of vibrant well-being. Secret 1. Hydration Power-Up. We all know that water is important, but did you know that it also helps your gut stay healthy and flush out toxins? Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day instead of sugary drinks. Tip: to get your stomach going in the morning, drink a big glass of warm water with lemon. Secret 2. Fiber is your friend. Fiber is kind of like the hero of your gut. It feeds your good bacteria and makes your stool bulkier, which keeps you from getting constipated. Eat a lot of whole grains, fruits, and veggies. Chia seeds are my go-to. They're very good at fiber. Third secret, the power of probiotics. These good bacteria are like little soldiers who protect your gut health. To keep things in order, they help push out the bad guys. You can eat fermented foods like yogurt and cabbage, or take a good probiotic pill. Secret 4. Embrace fermented foods. Fermented foods like kimchi, kombucha, and kefir are full of probiotics and enzymes that help your body digest food and keep your gut bacteria healthy. Try different things and pick your best. My very own favorite? Making your own sauerkraut. It's really simple to make. Secret 5. The power of prebiotics. The good bacteria in your gut need prebiotics to stay healthy. You can think of them as plant food for your gut. You can find them in bananas, onions, garlic, and artichokes, among other things. Secret 6. Cut the CRAP. This means caffeine, sugar that has been refined, alcohol, and foods that have been processed. These guys are terrible for your gut. Cut them down or get rid of them to make a big change in your health and stomach. Secret 7. Mindful eating. Take your time, chew your food well, and enjoy every bite. This makes it easier for your body to digest food and receive nutrition. Plus, it helps you tune in to your body's signals for when it's hungry or full. Secret 8. Stress less. Stress that lasts for a long time can really mess up your gut health. To deal with stress in a healthy way, try yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. It can help to take a few deep breaths. Secret 9. Get up and move. Working out is good for more than just your heart and legs. Moving things along in the gut is also helped by this. Spend at least 30 minutes a day doing something you love, and try to do that most days of the week. Secret 10. Listen to your gut. Pay attention to what your body is telling you. It might be time to give up a food that makes you feel fat or slow if it does this. Write down what you eat every day to find possible causes and make your gut healing journey more unique. Aha moment for me? Find out how powerful bone soup is. I felt better in my gut and had a lot more energy after drinking a warm cup of bone soup every day. It changed everything. But here's the thing. Being consistent is very important. You will get the most out of these tips if you use them every day. Allow yourself some time and enjoy each small win along the way. I changed the health of my gut in just 30 days and felt more energetic than I ever thought possible. It gave me a lot of energy, made eating easy, and made me feel better than ever. You also deserve to feel this good. It's your turn now. What are the most difficult things about your gut health? Tell us about your events in the space below. Also, if you want to learn more about health and wellness, watch my movie on insert another related video title. Wishing you happiness and health.